For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. The $1 trillion Club is an exclusive group, a pinnacle of corporate success that very few companies manage to achieve. These companies, through their innovative technologies, global reach, and market dominance, have carved out a space in this elite club, serving as the benchmark for success in the modern tech-driven world. But as we look toward the future, it's likely that more companies will join this elite circle. One such company with the potential to make this leap is Palantir Technologies, a firm that's at the forefront of one of the most transformative technological shifts of our time. The question many investors are asking is whether Palantir can ride the current wave of stock market momentum and potentially grow into a trillion-dollar company. Before diving into this speculation, it's crucial to first understand what makes Palantir unique and why it's even being considered as a candidate for such substantial growth. At its core, Palantir is a company dedicated to solving complex problems. In today's world, the amount of data generated on a daily basis is staggering. This data is an incredibly valuable asset, particularly for organizations that can harness it effectively, but the sheer volume of information can be overwhelming. Sifting through this ocean of data to extract meaningful insights is where Palantir steps in. Their innovative platform, powered by artificial intelligence, allows organizations to organize, analyze, and interpret vast amounts of data, making it a crucial tool for decision makers. To put this into perspective, think of a large hospital. On any given day, the hospital might admit hundreds of patients, each of whom generates numerous data points through medical records, test results, and treatment protocols. Additionally, the hospital needs to coordinate the schedules of doctors, nurses, and other medical staff, plan surgical procedures, manage resources like equipment and medicine, and track overall patient outcomes. The amount of data generated daily in this one hospital is immense, and the task of making sense of it all, optimizing operations, and improving patient care becomes incredibly challenging. This is where Palantir's artificial intelligence-powered platform makes a difference. By analyzing the hospital's data in real time, Palantir helps hospital administrators and medical staff identify patterns that may not be immediately obvious. These patterns could reveal inefficiencies, highlight areas for improvement, and even predict potential issues before they arise. As a result, hospitals can provide better care for their patients while simultaneously improving operational efficiency. A real-world example of this is the National Health Service in Britain, which used Palantir's technology to streamline its operations. By employing Palantir solutions, the National Health Service was able to reduce patient waiting times for surgeries, leading to faster care and more satisfied patients. This ability to deliver meaningful improvements to large organizations is one of the reasons why Palantir's customer base is growing at an impressive rate. In the company's most recent quarter, which covered the 3 months ending on June 30th, 2024, Palantir saw its customer count grow by an incredible 41% compared to the previous year. While Palantir has historically focused on working with government entities, its push into the commercial sector is yielding significant results. In the United States alone, Palantir's commercial customer count has surged by over 83% year over year, demonstrating the company's ability to diversify its revenue streams and expand its reach into private industry. Looking ahead, this growth is expected to continue as more and more organizations adopt artificial intelligence-powered solutions to optimize their operations and reduce costs. Palantir is strategically positioned to benefit from this trend, and this is why the company's stock has already risen by 129% so far this year. This impressive rally could very well continue over the next 5 years as companies worldwide increasingly rely on artificial intelligence to stay competitive and improve their bottom lines. But how big is Palantir today, and what would it take for the company to reach the coveted $1 trillion mark? To put this into perspective, if Palantir reaches a $1 trillion valuation, its stock would be worth around $446 per share. As of now, Palantir has a market capitalization of approximately $89 billion. For the company to grow into a trillion-dollar giant, its valuation would need to increase by roughly 11 times. Put another way, the price of Palantir's stock would need to increase by 1,100%, which translates to a compound annual growth rate of over 62%. Achieving a compound annual growth rate of this magnitude is no small feat. It would require sustained, rapid growth year after year. However, while it may seem daunting, it's not entirely outside the realm of possibility. There are historical examples of companies that have achieved or even surpassed this level of growth. Take Nvidia and Tesla as examples. Both companies have experienced meteoric rises in recent years. Nvidia, which is another major player in the artificial intelligence space, has seen a compound annual growth rate of an astounding 93% over the last 5 years. Tesla, the electric vehicle giant, achieved a compound annual growth rate of 74% in the years between 2019 and 2022, driven by the rapid adoption of electric vehicles and the company's innovative approach to energy and transportation. Even though these growth rates are rare, they serve as a reminder that such explosive growth is possible, especially for companies that are at the cutting edge of technological innovation. Other companies, while not quite reaching these heights, have also posted impressive growth figures. For instance, Eli Lilly, a pharmaceutical giant, has achieved a 5-year compound annual growth rate of 52%, while Broadcom, a leader in semiconductor technology, has recorded a compound annual growth rate of 45% over the same period. In short, while a 63% compound annual growth rate is exceedingly high, it is not entirely unattainable. However, for Palantir to reach a $1 trillion valuation by 2030, it would require a tremendous rally and nearly flawless execution. While this scenario is certainly intriguing, it's important to consider the likelihood of such an outcome. While I believe that Palantir reaching a $1 trillion market cap by 2030 is a long shot, that doesn't mean the company isn't a good investment today. In fact, I am quite bullish on Palantir as a long-term investment. The company is well managed, has a cutting-edge product, and is positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for artificial intelligence solutions. Its revenue growth, which currently stands at 27%, and its rapidly expanding customer base make it an attractive choice for growth investors. To sum it up, Palantir is a company with tremendous potential. While it may not hit the $1 trillion mark in the next 6 years, it remains a compelling investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the ongoing artificial intelligence revolution. The company's stock is already up significantly this year, and there's good reason to believe it could continue to climb higher in the years to come. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.